Hey everyone! There's some exciting news buzzing around the tech world about Google's upcoming Pixel devices and a possible surprise from the company. Leaks have been pouring in for the highly anticipated Google Pixel 9 series and Pixel Watch 3, suggesting they might not be officially unveiled until October. However, Google seems to be shaking things up this year with some fresh developments. Recently, influencers and tech media reps received invites for a Google event scheduled on August 13th. The invite teases a showcase of Google AI, Android software, and the Pixel lineup. Google has even updated its social media banners with a new image, sparking more speculation. Considering the Pixel 8a is already out, speculation is rife that Google might jump the gun and unveil the Pixel 9 series and Pixel Watch 3 2 months earlier than usual, which is typically in October. Historically, Google rarely hosts major launches in August, except for a few exceptions like the Pixel 4a and 5a in previous years. Fans are eagerly awaiting the Pixel 9 series, rumored to include 3 variants: a standard model, Pixel 9 Pro, and a larger Pixel 9 Pro XL. Are you excited about these potential early launches? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates on Google's tech innovations. Stay tuned for more news as we get closer to the event.